So my name is Kuntal Bogilal. I'm from the 95 batch. I study direction. So I just want to say something which some people might feel is a little radical. But I think this is as good a time as any to say it. So we are all stakeholders of FTII. So not only everyone in this room, everybody who's ever been a student, everybody who's ever been in the faculty, all of us associated with FTII are effectively, collectively stakeholders of FTII. So it's very simple. I just feel that we should all have a say in what happens. I think that is, we are all in common agreement about that. I don't even want to discuss or say anything about this particular appointment because so much has been said and I think it's just going to be repetitive. But what I do want to say is this whole system of appointments where you have a ruling party. First of all, that very word that we use, the ruling party is part of the problem, first of all, from the very beginning. But you have this whole thing of government appointments. So why not, as a very radical idea, the entire body of stakeholders of FTII should actually vote. We should actually start putting a demand that institutions like FTII and other such institutions have an entire body of stakeholders, and you put in a system in place where people who are wishing to be in positions like the governing council actually put their resumes out there, and people actually vote online. And I'm not speaking, I'm actually an alumnus of a college. I happen to study in the US. I graduated 30 years ago from there. Till today, I get an email and a link. When I go online, everybody who wants to be a trustee is actually puts their vision and their resume out there. You decide who you think. And me, as a foreign student, I'm not even a citizen of the US. I finished my studies and I came back. But as a foreign student and as an alumnus, I am a stakeholder of that college. And I get a say and I vote. So we talk about democracy and we talk about all this, but this is how it should be. There is a collective wisdom of FTII stakeholders. And that collective wisdom is what should decide what is the vision of FTII. And I mean, as Javeen said, PKNR report, everybody should actually, it should be online. It should be online, it should be there for people to read. And for the trustees, whoever wants to stand, or in this case, people on the governing council or whatever, should actually, maybe that is even one of the reference points where they state their opinions on that, on something like the PKNR report. So this may sound like a little far-fetched in today's context, but I definitely feel that this is something that can be worked towards and something that we can, as stakeholders aspire to, and unless we make the demand, it's not going to happen. Thank you.
Thank you. So there is